Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by capturing the problem sound so the process has reliable data. First, place the mic at a steady distance and record both the beat and a dedicated 10-20 second noise profile labeled noise ref. Once done, save in 24-bit WAV at 44, 1 or 48 kHz to preserve detail. Make sure levels peak around -6 dB to avoid clipping and keep headroom. This gives you a clean baseline for spectral subtraction and adaptive filtering later. You now convert that recording into a usable noise model. Load noise ref into a spectral analyzer to spot persistent bands and harmonic ratios, then construct a reduction chain. Apply spectral subtraction using the profile, follow with an adaptive EQ targeting resonant peaks, and add a gentle multi-band compressor. Once done, dial reduction conservatively, 6 to 12 dB and moderate smoothing, so you remove hiss without dulling transients. Make sure to monitor in context with the beat to preserve groove and punch. You finish by blending noise reduction into the final mix transparently. Do a /B tests between dry and process signals, automate wet amount per section, and use gentle transient preserving limits. For stubborn tones, apply narrow notch filters with a high Q of 2 to 6 where they sit, but avoid cutting fundamental frequencies. If you hear warbling or metallic artifacts, reduce overall reduction, increase attack/decay smoothing, and if necessary, re-record a cleaner noise ref. That single.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.